Start it up.
Alright, go.
Okay, so once you have your solder, you spark up the flame. Okay, so what you do is open up the gas about 2 turns and you spark it, like so. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to heat the fitting. You don't want to heat the pipe. So because the solder is going to go towards the heat, so you just heat up the joint. Okay. You just want to keep tapping it until it starts sticking. And once you see it melt, take the flame off, and the solder should suck right into the joint, like so. Okay, so once you have the first part of the joint done, you want to get your other pipe prepared. So, of course you clean it with the Brillo. You want to get the wire brush and clean the inside of the joint. Okay. Get some flux. Put it on the pipe. Okay. Put it on in there. And it's going to be heated up already, so it's not going to take as long as the first one. So you get your solder. Spark up the torch. And you heat it up. Heat up the fitting again. You don't have to heat it up as much because it's already warmed up from the last solder. So once it starts melting, you go around and the solder should fall right into it, like so. Okay? And once it's cooled off and the water's inside and everything is running, there should be no leaks. Because that's how you properly solder an elbow. We'll redo that end the part. Alright, let me just do it. Okay, so.
And the most important part, clean up.
And you want to make sure there's no solder dripping all over the floor. You want to clean that up because that doesn't look professional. And yes, that's how you properly solder a joint.